Hi friends, welcome to Arnav's World. Today is the 11th episode in the biology series. So today we are going to discuss about a part of a cell called the cytosol. So cytosol is a liquid matrix around the cell organelles. Yes. So the cytosol is the liquid medium contained within a cell. So it is a component of cytoplasm. Yes. If you don't know, there are three main parts of the cell. The outer cell membrane, which divides the extracellular space in the cytoplasm. Next, the cytoplasm, which consists of the cytosol and the organelles. And finally, the nucleus, which contains, of course, the nucleus. Yeah, so I'll show a diagram. So this is the cell. So here is the cell membrane. So this is the cell membrane, cell M for short. So this is the cytoplasm, CP. So this part will be the part which we call as the cytosol. So we are discussing about it now, CS. And in the middle is the one which is the nucleus. Yeah, nucleus is in the middle. So this is what the cell looks like. So here these rounds are the organelles. So all of the inside part except the nucleus is called the cytoplasm. The nucleus is a separate part of the cell. So this cytosol is a part of this cytoplasm. So it is the liquid matrix part, of the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm includes the cytosol and all the organelles, but not the nucleus. Yes, except the nucleus and also the cell membrane. Yeah. So the main component of cytosol is water, which makes up 70% of this cytosol. Yes, and also this cytosol is like a jelly thing. So a fun fact. So this cytosol makes up like 70 to 80% of all fluids in a human body. The remaining is like blood plasma and many others. Yeah, most of the fluid is just cytosol. Yeah. Okay. So that's a fun fact, very good fun fact. So it also contains dissolved ions, which is small molecules, and proteins. Yeah. So there are many things in this cytosol. While normal eukaryote cells have organelles which make things, in bacteria, which is prokaryotes, there are not other organelles. So in these prokaryotes, the cytosol makes the things. Yeah. In those, the cytosol is the cytoplasm. Both are the same. So the proteins and those things are made only in the cytosol. Yeah. While in our eukaryote cell, these are made in a very big process. Yes. Like getting made in the ribosome, next getting folded in the endoplasmic reticulum, and yes, that's the process mostly. Yeah. Okay. The cytosol is not uniform throughout the cell. The protein complexes in the cytosol give it structure. Not the cytosol, the cytoskeleton. Yeah. So yes, cells also have cytoskeleton made of other smaller organelles. Yeah. So that's why this is not an organelle, because it is like a fluid containing all other organelles of a cell. So this is not an organelle. Do not be mistaken with an organelle and the cytosol, which is a part of the cytoplasm. Yeah. Okay. It has high concentration of potassium ions and low concentration of sodium ions. Yeah. So the difference in ion concentrations is critical for Osmo Regulation. So I'll explain what Osmo Regulation is. So in a cell, there is, for example, the potassium is more and the other sodium is less. So sodium is less. So this is less while this is more.
also plus.
Oh, sorry. So this is plus. So, but in the outer areas, which is the extracellular matrix, there is less potassium. So this will be less, but the sodium will be more. Yeah. So that is what will happen. So this causes some reactions to happen, reaction-like things to happen between the cell and the extracellular space, which is of course outside of the cell. Yeah, that is what osmoregulation is. So normally in osmosis, the higher things in the fluid will go to the place where the thing is less. So that is what will happen here. So the potassium will go to the extracellular space, and this extracellular space sodium will go into the cell. Yes, that is what osmoregulation is, a bit simplified. Yeah, so its pH range in humans is 7.0 and 7.4. That means it is just average. That means it has the same pH of the water, similar. Yeah, but pH is higher when the cell is growing. That means it will be less acidic. So that means in pH, if it is less pH, that means it is more acidic. But if it is more pH, that means it is less acidic. Yeah, water is in average, that's why we can drink it. If water is in like pH 1, then it will dissolve all of our body and will be just nothing. Yeah, will be nothing. Okay, the cytosol serves several functions. So it is the site of most metabolic processes. It transports metabolites, which are the things which make metabolism. That's why we have the thing called metabolism, and is involved in signal transduction within the cell. Yes, so this is also involved in glycolysis, protein biosynthesis, and pentose phosphate pathways. Here in the cell, pathways means the places where specific things go. For example, the protein pathway, like where the protein will go after being made, like that. Yeah. So this is for today about the cytosol, which is very simple, by the way. Bye.